Hi! So this is my third video that I've made. As you can see, I've got my braces on, which is pretty exciting. On the whole, I've had pretty good luck with my braces. I had about a week where they rubbed still a little bit, mainly kind of under here and a little bit on this side, but that didn't last very long. Like maybe even 5 days later it was pretty good. I couldn't eat properly for maybe 1.5 weeks, closer to 2 weeks maybe. Yeah, but on the whole I've had a pretty good run. I went to visit the surgeon and he told me his opinion about what needs to happen and explained the surgery process a lot more. I have to have an operation in the next few months, or probably in the next month, to get all my wisdom teeth taken out, which is not ultimate because I'm not that excited about having 2 operations in the 1 year, but it has to be done, so that's okay. So I have to have my wisdom teeth taken out, and that'll make it easier for surgery, so that's good. And they explained more about what they need to do to my teeth with the braces. My bite, well, not my bite necessarily, but where my teeth sit, it will make my bite worse before it gets better. So they explained about the fact that most teeth are like this, and then you've got to swap. Sorry, my cat's probably going to knock the camera off. Cat's going to visit. Well, come around here then. Miles. Yeah, he's decided to get up on the table. Yeah, so your teeth are kind of like this, and mine are like this, and over time they've overcorrected, and so they basically have to kind of push it back the other way before they can fix it again. So, my bite will get worse before it gets better. So yeah, by the end of the year, like my bottom lip will push out more. The surgeon thinks that I can probably just have bottom jaw surgery at this stage. He thinks it's pretty probable. They can't rule out both top and bottom jaw surgery because it just depends on lots of things. So yeah, on the whole, the process has been pretty quick, and you know, it's happened fairly quickly. So I'm excited about the whole thing. So yeah, other than that, there are my braces. So I've got the ceramic on the top, metal on the bottom, but on the whole it's been pretty good. They're not too bad, they're not too noticeable. I'm pretty happy with them, so yeah. Thanks for listening.